Okay, I have to tell you about this knife set I just got. It's from CAROTE and it's seriously amazing. It's a 14-piece set and the knives are super sharp because they're laser cut at the perfect angle. I'm not kidding, it makes prepping dinner so much faster and easier. Plus, they're stainless steel, so no worrying about rust or stains, and they feel super durable since they're forged from a single piece of metal. The handles are really comfortable to hold and they have this great balance, so you feel totally in control while chopping. And here's the best part, there's a built-in knife sharpener in the block, so you never need to mess with sharpening them separately. It's got all the knives you'll ever need, a chef's knives, a santoku, steak knives, kitchen shears, you name it. It even comes with this sleek wooden block that looks so good on your counter. If you're in the market for new kitchen knives, trust me, this set is a game changer, and plus they're so pretty.